Hey AJ, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about Dansel restoration. But before we get into that, I kind of want to explain the three different ways on how you could be found on Google and how your customers will find you. So with that, let's get started. Say that we type in water damage restoration San Jose. Um, you'll get these three top spots. Uh, This spot up here is called the sponsored area, where you can also be found. It's one of the ways that you can be found on Google. Just to say, for if we type in water damage restoration San Jose. The second way you could be found is in the map pack area, which is these three top positions up here. And 30% of your business will come from these three spots. And in order to get up here, you need to have what is called citations, and we need to research and see what these guys are doing, and then some. So the third way that you can be found is the organic section, which is these top three slots here: water fire, or excuse me, water mold fire restoration, ATI restoration, and yield are the three positions that you would want to be. So 70% of your business will come from these three top positions. The reason why Yelp is up here is because they're pushing nationally and not targeting locally. So with that, in a nutshell, that's how, those are the three different ways on how you can be found. So with that, let's take a quick look at your website. So it looks really sleek. I like on how you have the backdrop here and the front page. Okay, I like the photo here. You got a video. It's pretty nice. You have these pictures here: water, mold, fire, and odor, sewage, board up services. Nice. You have some reviews here. Really nice. Okay, scroll down. Oh, and you are IICRC certified. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Okay, you have a book your call there. Pretty nice. I like it. But what Google really looks for, and what Google loves, is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just on your homepage alone. So what this kind of looks like to me, just off the top of my head, it looks like maybe you have, I would say, about 200 words of content here. And Google also likes when you save keywords to every 250 words of content that you have on your homepage alone. So you want to make sure that you have the correct keywords that you're searching for. So that about sums it up for content. The next thing I want to talk about is backlinks. But before we get into that, I do want to take a quick look at your competitors. So here's ATI. Just a quick look at their website for content. It looks like they have a little bit more content than you, but not much. It looks like they have maybe 300 words of content, maybe 4. And they do not have keywords embedded inside their homepage of their website where it matters. So yeah, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what it would take to beat them with content. Now let's get to keywords and backlinks. So we use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It just shows a live view on what Google sees on what your website is currently doing. Dansel Restoration, .com. We put that into Ahrefs, plugged it right in. Looks like you have a 6 power out of 100 with 0.2 trust, with 33 backlinks, 8 referrings, and you have 1 organic keyword, which is bringing you no traffic. And you made an investment in your website, so we got to think of it kind of as like your ATM, so to speak. So it would be really nice to get some organic traffic going through here. Let's take a quick look at your keyword that you're using. So you're using water mold fire restoration. It's generating 20 volume, and here's the URL tied to it. So this right here is tied to your website. Let's take a quick look at your competitors. So ATI Restoration, that's why they're in the second position. They have 4946 trust power trust rating. They got 8.8K backlinks tied to it, 8.6K organics, with a whopping 8.7K organic traffic going through. So we got access to all their keywords and whatnot. What you want to really look for is these numbers are close together, and also these referrings and do follows are close. So with that in a nutshell, not all backlinks are created equal, but you do want good, beefy backlinks that can get you up here. We can definitely get you up there with proper proper SEO backlinking. So with that in a nutshell, that's pretty much it as far as keywords go and backlinks. Basically, we got to do what they're doing and then some. So with that, that's pretty much it. Let's just do a quick review on what we discussed. So 3 different ways on how you can be found on Google is the sponsors up here, and that basically gets you up there. We can manage that as well as far as Google Ads go and everything, and it gets you up here in the sponsored. This map pack area here with 30% of your business will be acquired here. And if you're not up here, as well as down here, we're just leaving money on the table, and we don't want to do that. So in order to get up here, we got to do the citations, make sure everything is saved 100% on your profile, and also down here you want to do some proper SEO backlinking along with keyword research and everything else. So with that, I hope this information was useful to you. I hope that I can be a guide to you, AJ, and try to help you in your journey. If you would, please give me a call at 505-331-7995, or you can reach my email at joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com. That's Joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your time, AJ. I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.